Hi, guys, welcome to our channel, The Pro Reviewer. In this video, we try to help you find out the best bait casting reels on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 10. Shimano Calcutta B Round Reel. This is another round reel option to consider if you're looking for quality, versatility, and durability. The centrifugal brake system is quite impressive, creating desired drags on the spool. These brake weights are adjustable and can be turned off and on to control the speed of the spool. It works best while greatly reducing backlashes. The Calcutta provides 6 different models, so depending on your requirement, you can choose from a reel that is ultralight to some heavier gear applications. Overall, they can last a lifetime if they are maintained properly. Number 9. Garcia Black Max Low Profile Baitcasting Fishing Reel. Known for delivering quality baitcasting reels, Garcia already has a big fan following, and for obvious reasons. Black Max, too, is yet another great mid-entry level option to consider, as it comes with a lightweight design and a one-piece graphite frame with slide plates. It uses 4 stainless steel ball bearings and a Magtrax brake system to boost casting range and accuracy. You can expect an ergonomic grip as it comes with a compact bent handle and recessed reel. Number 8. Pflueger President XT Low Profile Reel. This baitcasting reel is a connecting link between a beginner baitcaster and the advanced tournament reel. It comes with a low-profile design and a magnetic braking system that can be adjusted externally. The braking system is good enough to control the spool, which ultimately assists in reducing backlash. It is manufactured with a 9-bearing system using corrosion-resistant stainless steel bearings. Additionally, the soft-touch rubber knob gives an enhanced grip. Number 7. Daiwa Coastal TWS Casting Reel. The Daiwa Coastal TWS casting reel consists of a deep spool that is manufactured using aircraft-grade aluminum. It is specifically designed to withstand exposure to saltwater. The TWS, i.e., T-wing system, contributes to reducing line friction, ultimately allowing you to cast long while having better line control. This baitcasting reel is durable and light in weight and comes with high-strength gears that are built to last long with great performance. You can consider getting this casting reel for tackling the striped bass or any other large fish, as it has a drag of 15.4 pounds. Moreover, the 7 ball bearings and 1 roller bearing will last 12 times longer than any other normal bearings, as it is resistant to corrosion. Last, but not least, you can experience minimized backlash due to MagForce cast control. Overall, it is one of the top-rated baitcasting reels on this list. Number 6. Shimano Curado K Baitcasting Reel. Do you know the best part of this baitcasting reel? It is ergonomically designed and can easily fit in your palm, giving you the desired control. Being light in weight, it is easy to maneuver. It uses the latest gearing technique, i.e., micromodule gearing, and only uses high-quality parts that guarantee a smooth and consistent fishing experience. If you're looking for a baitcasting reel for lures like spinners, crankbaits, and heavier jigs, this is the ideal option. It offers 3 gear ratios, 6.2 to 1, 7.4 to 1, and 8.5 to 1, so you have options to choose from according to your requirements. Number 5. Lew's BB1 Speed Spool Baitcasting Reel. Lew's baitcasters have taken an integral place among the fishing community for years. Every newly launched model takes time-tested features and comes with a better design that uses advanced technology and materials. Like any other Lew's baitcasters, the BB1 Speed Spool, too, is no exception. It provides the perfect balance that every professional wants in a baitcaster, a lightweight rod with solid construction. The drag is super strong even when it just weighs 6.5 ounces. The 6-pins braking system gives you the flexibility to adjust accordingly. Lastly, you can easily keep track of your settings due to an audible click emitted by both the tension knob and brake dial. Number 4. Piscifun Torrent Baitcasting Reel. While you may not have heard about this brand, it manufactures products that have solid reviews and ratings. One feature that catches the attention is the high gear ratio of 7.1 to 1. It is also durable and super light as it has a high-grade carbon drag system. The feature of corrosion-resistant ball bearings is a plus. Overall, this reel sounds promising that it can handle the big fish you are planning to chase. Number 3. Abu Garcia Ambassadeur Baitcaster Fishing Reel. This round baitcasting reel can be found in multiple models. If you're looking for a round profile baitcasting reel for the smoothest experience, this particular model from Abu Garcia can be your best bet. Whatever model you choose, both have 3+1 stainless steel ball bearings, a 6-pin centrifugal brake system, and a 5.3 to 1 gear ratio. It is fishing gear that is power-packed with performance and at a great price. However, it is important to note that it is a bit heavier. So, if weight is not your concern, this round profile baitcasting reel will work best for all types of fishing expeditions. There are many other popular baitcasting models available from this brand. You might be interested in checking out the review of one such prominent Abu Garcia Pro Max low-profile baitcasting reel. Number 2. Abu Garcia Revo Toro Beast Low Profile. The Revo series of Abu Garcia has manufactured some of the best-selling baitcasters of all time, and Toro Beast is no exception. It comes with an easy-to-hold lightweight design, the same sleek lines, and a low-profile shape. Additionally, you can expect a smooth action due to the presence of 8 stainless steel bearings. The frame and side plates are both corrosion-resistant. The rod also uses Duragear heavy-duty parts along with the Power Stack carbon matrix drag system, making it one of the most durable options of reels mentioned on the list. Number 1. Cast King Royale Legend Low Profile. This ultra-smooth and efficient baitcaster comes with a 7 to 1 gear ratio, which proves best for pitching, flipping, and much more. The modern dual brake design makes this baitcaster an easy choice to hit on to fishing. It is very affordable and considered best for beginners who want to learn the art of fishing. However, it won't be as long-lasting as other reels. Overall, it is a good bet for beginners as it is light in weight, affordable, and provides smooth casting. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Check the product link in the description below. I hope you find a suitable product for yourself. If you want this type of video in the future, please subscribe to the channel.